Hey y'all, what's good? This is your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, we are doing a natural hair tools must have. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. Hey y'all, so if you clicked on this video, I'm glad that you clicked on this video because that means you are either a beginner naturalista. Hey girl, welcome to the natural hair club, welcome to the natural hair gang, all that or if you're an OG natural hair girl like myself. So whichever one you are, I'm glad you clicked on this video. So let's just go ahead and get into these tools. This is not in any particular order, so yeah, let's go. So the first thing that I have is a hair catcher, drainer, whatever you want to call this. This is definitely an essential that you need, especially for those wash days. You don't want your shower, your tub to get clogged up because your hair has fallen into the drain. So definitely need you a hair catcher, drainer thing. The next thing that I pulled out is my shower mirror. I don't want to blind you guys with that, but there you go. I think this is definitely an essential tool that you need for wash days. You can stick this up on the wall whenever you need to do your hair. You can stick it behind you so you can see what you're doing, as far as like if you need to see if you're missing any spots for like conditioner, shampoo, whatever. You got you a shower mirror. So yeah, so this is definitely an essential that you need. The next thing that I pulled out is a microfiber towel, and this is from Turvy Twisty. This is what it looks like. Or a t-shirt towel, or you could just use a regular t-shirt to, you know, dry your hair, because microfiber or this t-shirt fabric is definitely good to dry your hair whenever you just finished a wash day, because those regular towels, it ain't it, sweetie. Those regular towels definitely tend to snag onto your hair and cause breakage. So yeah, definitely get you a microfiber towel, t-shirt towel, or just any ordinary t-shirt that you don't be wearing like that, so you can dry your hair and so we could keep our hair, okay? Yeah. Next tool that I pulled out is an applicator bottle. I think this is quite an essential to have as far as like natural hair tools, because you can apply your favorite oils. You could do apple cider vinegar rinse in these, and the best part is the nozzle. It could get right to your scalp, and you could get all the spots on your scalp that you need. So yeah, applicator bottle is a go. So the next tools that I have are hair ties and bobby pins. So yeah, these smaller hair ties are definitely perfect for sectioning off your hair, or if you want to do like a cute little hairstyle, you definitely got this. And I can't stress this enough, definitely get the ones that are ouchless, because if you have the ones with the metal little things on it, girl, throw those away. Throw those away, because those will definitely snatch onto your hair and break your hair off, and we do not want that, okay? And if you do have the ouchless hair ties, make sure that they are good, they're not stretched out, or the rubber band part is not showing, because if it is, throw it away, because that is going to snatch onto your hair and pull your hair out, and we don't need that, okay? So yeah, that goes for the tiny ones and also the large ones like this. These large ones are definitely perfect for high puffs, which I definitely love using these for my high puffs. And yeah, and then as far as bobby pins are definitely good for flyaways if you want to do like a cute little hairstyle. But make sure that your bobby pins have that the little ball things on it. Make sure that that ball thing is not gone or anything like that, because that metal part is definitely sharp and it can scratch your scalp, which we don't want, or it could snag your hair and pull out your hair, which we don't want either. So if your bobby pins are missing those little balls at the end, throw them away, okay? So yeah, hair ties and bobby pins. The next tools that I have are satin scrunchies. I have different sizes. So this one is an extra large. I can't stress this enough. Satin is definitely like that chick for us natural hair girls, okay? So these are definitely perfect for sectioning off your hair, putting your hair inside a cute little style. You want to add a pop of color, blase blase blah. Amazon do have these. You could get like a pack of 50 for like $9, which is freaking amazing. And then for these extra large scrunchies, these are sold separately from these, but these are just freaking good as well. They're perfect for high puffs. If you have like a washout, I mean not a washout, if you have a wash and go, braid out, twist out, whatever, perfect for you know, tying your hair up at night. Like you have that little pineapple and then you could wrap your hair up at night, things like that. So yep, definitely got these. And speaking of satin, since we're on that topic, satin scarf, satin bonnet, and the other satin thing that I want to mention, I don't have it like with me because it's like too big and it's in the room, but it's a satin pillowcase. So I'll be leaving a picture of it right here so you can see that. Like I said, can't stress satin enough. Yeah, you definitely want to wear these, especially to bed, because you want to keep your hair protected, moisturized. It definitely helps with keeping your style last a little bit longer, because those little cotton pillowcases, it ain't it, girl. It's definitely gonna dry your hair out, and we don't want that. We want to keep our hair nice, moisturized, shiny, protected, and all the 9 yards. So next thing I want to mention is a deep conditioning cap or a hooded dryer, whether it's portable or it's stable. So yeah, deep conditioning caps, hooded dryers, definitely a must-have because they apply that heat to your hair whenever you're deep conditioning. The hooded dryers are definitely a must-have because deep conditioning, whenever you need to apply that heat to your hair whenever you're deep conditioning. Also, if you have like a wash and go, braid out, twist out, any type of style that you need to like quickly dry your hair, and you need to just like sit down for like 30 minutes to like get your hair dry at the roots, those are definitely perfect. So the next thing that I want to mention is plastic caps. These are definitely good to have, especially for deep conditioning your hair. I know I use these for deep conditioning my hair, and yeah, but you don't have to go out and go pay for these, because if you're like me, girl, I know you got some grocery bags laying around the house somewhere, tucked away inside like a cabinet or whatever, or inside of a box like I keep mine. So I definitely got me some grocery bags. So whichever one you choose, whether it's the plastic caps or grocery bags, they both work as good. So yeah. The next thing that I want to mention are spray bottles. So this is the 360 misting spray bottle, and this is just a regular spray bottle. I don't know where the top is, so we just gonna ignore that. So yeah, but I really like using this 360 mist spray bottle. Like if I want to dampen my hair, this can definitely get your hair like super wet if you want it to, but I like to use this if I need to dampen my hair. And now this one is the super soaker. This is the one that I like to use to like get my hair like nice and drenched, because it's just faster. So yeah, so I do have a natural hair tools collection on my video, and I know you saw it. I just know you saw it. Did you see it? It's okay if you didn't see it, because I'll link it right here so you can't see it, okay? And it'll also be inside the description box underneath natural hair things or just natural hair. It'll be in that playlist. So yeah, you could either binge watch that playlist, or you could just find that video and you can see all of the natural hair tools that are in my collection. Anywho, commercial break is over. Next thing that I pulled out are some hair scissors. These are definitely important because trimming those ends, honey, those split ends, gotta get rid of them. Single strand knots, gotta get rid of them. So definitely hair scissors, not regular scissors that you cut paper with, specifically scissors for your hair. I can't stress that enough. Next tool, a hair pick. This is definitely a must-have for those wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, twade outs, bantu knots, flexi rods, perm wads, whatever. This is definitely good to, you know, like fluff out those roots so you can get those voluminous results. And yeah, so our hair could be bigger and better. So hair pick on deck. So I want to go over some brushes. So the first set of brushes that I want to go over are a hard bristle brush and a soft bristle brush. These are definitely good for those slick back hairstyles. And also, I straightened my hair with this soft bristle brush and the results turned out pretty freaking good. Shout out to the Glam Twins because they definitely put me on. So if you want to see that, if you want to see my straight hair video where I did use this soft bristle brush, definitely check out that video. I will link it right here so you can see those results because they was bomb, honey. But yeah, these are really, really good for those things. Next brush is an edge brush. It's in the name, edges. So these are for your edges. If you want to slick them, if you want to flick them, if you want to have that little natural edge look, or dramatic edges, or you want to have them little swoops, definitely perfect for that. And it has a little nice little comb attachment so you get that nice and defined look. And then I have some detangling brushes. These two are my favorite detangling brushes. This one is hands down my favorite, and this is the runner-up. This is the easy detangling brush, and this is the Tangle Teaser brush with the handle. These are really nice, especially if you want to get your hair nice and detangled and, you know, sleek down and things like that. I really prefer the Tangle Teaser with the handle because you have that really nice good grip so you can detangle your hair. The ones that fit in your palm are good as well, but this one with the handle is definitely my all-time favorite. So yep, definitely got some detangling brushes, although your fingers are the best tools to use to detangle your hair. So yeah, definitely finger detangle your hair and then follow up with a detangling brush. Next tools are combs. So shower comb, wide tooth comb, whatever you want to call it, definitely a must-have because these wide tooth combs are definitely good to detangle your hair. Like I said about detangling brushes, your fingers are the best tools to detangle your hair first, and then follow up with a shower comb, wide tooth comb, detangling brush, whatever you want to use to detangle your hair, section your hair. I mean, not section your hair, but part your hair off. So yeah, got me a shower comb, wide tooth comb, whatever you want to call it. And the next comb I want to mention is a rat tail comb. This is very good, especially if you want to straighten your hair so you can, you know, do the chase method with your flat iron. And I really love this part on the comb because this definitely gives you like that really nice, precise, crisp parting. So yeah, I just mainly use this for parting my hair. And the last and final thing is some alligator clips. This is a really large one, and these are like regular size small ones. Child, I dropped it, but it's okay. Freaking alligator clips, they're definitely a must-have to section off your hair. And yeah, I really prefer these ones because those regular clamps or clips that they be selling at the stores, I noticed that it be, you know, snagging onto my hair and kind of like ripping my hair off. So I stopped using those and I went to these. And once when I went to alligator clips, never been back. So yeah, these are definitely a must-haves, and these are my favorite ones to use. So yeah, if you are new to the natural hair community, like you just did a big chop or you're transitioning from permed hair to natural hair, I do have a natural hair starter kit video on my channel, so definitely check that out if you're interested. I do recommend like products that are my favorite things to use, and I do mention tools and other things like that, so definitely check that video out. It will be linked right here. And if you are an OG naturalista and you still want to see my natural hair starter kit, you can check that video out too. It'll be right there. But yeah, guys, that are all the tools that I have. By the way, mostly everything mentioned in today's video can be found inside my Amazon storefront, so definitely check out my description box if you're interested in any of these tools that I mentioned in today's video. So yeah, all right y'all, so that is all the tools must-haves that I think you should have inside your natural hair collection. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also comment down below, what are your favorite tools? What do you think are must-have tools for your natural hair collection? Let me know inside the comment section down below, or if you see any of the tools that I mentioned in today's video that you like, yeah girl, those are some really good tools, or you like, nah girl, take that out. Let me know inside the comment section down below, because y'all know I love chit chatting with y'all. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.